A Texas legislative panel is holding more hearings into the devastating flooding that killed 25 campers and 2 counselors at Camp Mystic in the Hill Country last July 4th. In yesterday's testimony, a Camp Mystic director made an emotional apology to families. And investigators have revealed that Camp Mystic did not have an evacuation plan required by the state for flooding emergencies.
I think about the night of the flood every moment of every day. We tried our hardest that night, and it wasn't enough to save your daughters. We were devastated alongside you. I regret not communicating more with each of you earlier, and the anger at us for not being able to keep them safe feels completely reasonable.
A written report of the panel's findings is expected later this year. Many of the families oppose the camp's plan to reopen in late May, with about 900 girls on the campsite. Camp officials have said they will only use parts of the grounds that did not flood.